I need to be even more consistent and go at it 120%. Fucking kill it. Let's be more professional and win. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's get this money. Yeah, man, I'm out here. 12th January 2025. Me, I got this, me, I got that. I'm here, I got Don, Pharaoh T, the King, James, Dexter. Okay, so like today is a great day. Woke up. Day's looking very nice, very clean. We have like some fog. It looks very scenic, I might say, if I do say so myself. A walk, a jog right now would have been beautiful, but then I don't know why I'm making this jogging excuses. I'm gonna have to commit, man. Just commit for once in your life. Like actually follow through. Like actually like do what you say you wanna do. I'm gonna commit really fully into the process. I know exactly what I need to do. Trust the process. But then the weather's looking beautiful. It's like far away. But, yeah. Okay, so it's 12th Jan, 8 a.m. And I just watched back the video where I was like, yo, I feel it's a really good day for a jog. What's the perfect weather for a jog? And I'm really thinking about hitting that jog. It's like 2 hours later. The weather isn't really the same, but then I can still go for a jog. And I'm gonna go for the jog. I'm just gonna finish off what I'm doing right now. It's probably gonna take like 5 minutes. And I'm gonna hit that jog way. But it's gonna be a calm jog, a little 10-minute jog, 10 to 15-minute jog. Yeah, let's go. Outside, boy. Fucking outside. About to hit this jog. It's fucking cool, boy.
Yeah, that double cheesy got ate up. Yeah. Niggas counting in the day up. Did 2 months in the dirt, 6 double payers. Had to put double work for the payer. Yeah. That was easy, now we later. Yeah. Won't stop until we get ghosts. It gotta stop at night that we stayed up. Yeah. Come see where I live.
Still going strong. Stronger than ever. I feel better. I feel better than ever. Fantastic. Fucking gas. Still fucking going, boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. I didn't want to jog, but then now that I'm done with the jog, I even feel better. I feel great and I feel refreshed. So like before you do it, it's like, yo, I'm not gonna do this. I feel like this. You make up so many excuses, but then once you're done it, bro, it's like, I could do it again. If I'm being honest, I could go back out there. But I'm going to shower and shit, chill out. It's only like, it's still early in the day. And I already hit a jog. Steps are in. I'm chilling, man. I'm even cozy right now, I'm just chilling, bro. Not everything has to be in a rush. You can just chill out, vibing out. Right now, enjoying the weather. Me out of this, me out of that. Pharaoh T. Sir James the First. Sir James the First. Yeah, Sir James. Protocol. Yeah. Yeah, which ties back to what I was saying before. Just commit, bro. It's gonna build discipline, resilience. There's no backside. In my hands, this is actually gonna help me like speak better, communicate better. So that's why I'm doing it. Right now, I'm just gonna stick to the process, trust the process, cool. Because I'm way. I'm fire with the edits clearly, and like I'm just chilling. I'm trying to like wait for the right opportunities. But then, hey, it's not the right time. So let me just start now with what I have and what I got, and actually use this to my benefit. There's no downside to like making content nowadays. This is a content-driven world. Oof, I like how I'm flowing. This is like off the top, but boy, cool king. Okay, anyways, the world is your oyster. You can do so much. You can do so much. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm becoming passionate now. Listen to me. You who wants to like start this, but then you're scared, just start. Motivate you who wants to start jogging, but then you making up excuses. My excuse is I need to buy jogging shoes. But then I just put on the All Stars and I Chuck Taylors. I went for a jog. Now I feel great. And crazy thing is that today is my rest day. From Monday to Friday, I've been working out. I worked out Monday to Friday. Today is my rest. Saturday and Sunday was my rest day. And also like my body was just aching, so those were my rest days. But then I ended up hitting a jog and I feel amazing. Not even gonna lie. So Miaga this, Miaga that, Sir James. Looking forward to this. Looking forward to this. Sir James, Miaga this, Miaga that.
They didn't give me credit for my shit, so I get my credit another way. I'm writing this shit for your favorite rapper, getting shit going like a street trapper. They found out it's me, that's a knee slapper. Start doubting me, I get shit done. Start doubting me, I'm the jump starter. Raise up the guap.